guys, this is Mizzy here from Mizzy's Parrots. So I feel like a couple people are pretty confused about Queenie's actual capability of walking, and that's totally my fault because in most of my videos she's either being held or she's sitting stationary. So it's really easy to assume that just because of her disability she's not able to walk at all. So I made this video of all clips of her just walking around the house so you guys can get a good feel for what she can do. Please give Queenie a lot of support by giving her a big thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you very much for checking out my channel.